welcome back to Basic Home Cooking. Today we're going to dive into a tasty entree that is also great for food prep during the week. In other words, we're going to be roasting a chicken. You can find the reference recipe linked in the description below. So without further ado, let's get into it. All right, let's see how we did. That's some tasty chicken. Not too bad. I like how this turned out. This one definitely hits different from the regular chicken I make, which I usually just rub down with some olive oil, salt, pepper, toss it in the oven. But on this recipe with the lemon, it definitely takes it up a notch. And it wasn't a lot of extra effort. Now I did skimp on the zest. I was supposed to zest some of the skin and I did not. But the lemon flavor was still there for me. And I think I left the chicken in a little longer than I needed to. That's where you saw some of the skin was starting to darken a little more. Thankfully I didn't burn it, so the flavor was still great. All in all, I would recommend roasting some chickens. It's a great way to have a little extra food in the fridge for your household throughout the week. As always, thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one. Until then, keep on cooking.